So basically, once the package is prepared, you scan the QR code, you tell it where it's going to go, and you associate the package to a drone. Now the drone takes on that route, and then from the moment you launch to the moment it comes back, everything is autonomous. So you don't have to do anything.
In Rwanda. For the first time on the African continent, a passenger drone has taken to the skies, right here in Kigali.
2 and 3, 2, 1.
This could be the drone that catapults Rwanda and possibly the world into a faster way to deliver goods.
Skies. Rwanda has become the first country in Africa to launch a self-flying electric air taxi.
And Rwanda has carried out the public flight of a self-flying electric car taxi in the country, the first of its kind in the African continent.
Once again, I wish to welcome you all to Kigali and thank you.
In a world of emerging technological advancements spanning diverse fields, with key areas including artificial intelligence, AI, quantum computing, biotechnology, extended reality, XR, robotics, and new forms of sustainable energy and climate tech, a number of nations globally are coming out to show their potential with innovations, creating new possibilities in data analysis, personalized medicine, automation, immersive digital experiences, and the creation of novel materials. This just created technological development by Rwanda, a just small nation in East Africa, is setting a new chapter not only for the nation itself, but creating alarms globally that the African continent is willing to set pace when it comes to technological advancements. Rwanda, in partnership with China Road and Bridge Corporation, CRBC, launching Africa's first ever public flight of a self-flying electric air taxi, is a milestone the nation has achieved towards achieving a self-sustained economy technologically. With no pilot required, the aircraft model EHang EH216S, with a capacity of 2 passengers while reaching top speed of 130 kilometers per hour, that is, 80 miles per hour, with a range of 30-35 kilometers. This 100% electric flying car is indeed a game changer for the East African nation. With this new technological advancement, Rwanda has become the first country on the continent to introduce self-flying electric air taxis, redefining urban mobility and positioning itself as a hub of next-generation innovation.
Extra flights, the experience was really good.
Unlike ground transportation system, these new flying taxis can fully utilize the undeveloped low-altitude airspace to realize high-capacity and high-efficient transportation, thereby freeing ground traffic from its congested and overburdened state. This move works properly for Rwanda, a just small nation that needs more space to carry out other developmental things. As urban population in the capital city of Kigali, exponentially increasing and grappling with ever-increasing congestion, combined with burgeoning pressure to make better use of public space, flying cars are looked at among major solutions to these problems. Urban Aerial Mobility, UAM, which sees electric vertical takeoff and landing, eVTOL, aircraft transport passengers and cargo, is taking stage as having the potential to revolutionize the notion of urban mobility, offering numerous benefits while addressing some of the most pressing challenges faced by cities all over the world. By increased utilization of air within short distances, cities can alleviate pressure on their road networks, decreasing travel times, but also concurrently improving the efficiency of its existing transport systems, making urban mobility more timely and reliable, adding to environmental and health benefits of reducing air pollution. These aircraft are designed to be safe, quiet, and ultimately capable of operating in urban environments, addressing some of the primary concerns associated with aerial transport. Rwanda is leading technological advancements in Africa by fostering a tech-friendly environment through strong government support, investing in ICT infrastructure, and developing innovative projects like Kogali Innovation City, drone delivery services, and satellite technology. The nation's focus on digital transformation aims to drive economic growth and improve citizen well-being, positioning it as a model for other African countries. Adding to this new flying taxis initiative, the country is in high gear technologically. The Kogali Innovation City. This magnificent project aims to become a major tech hub in Africa, integrating university campuses, research facilities, and businesses to accelerate digital transformation. With strong support from the government of Rwanda and Africa 50, this project is at the core of Rwanda's vision to become a pan-African hub for tech and innovation. The project is a joint venture to co-develop and co-finance with private sector investors. KIC is building a supportive and connected ecosystem with a concentration of game-changing startups, innovative companies, financial investors, academia, and support services that facilitate the creation and commercialization of new ideas.
The doctor told me that a small airplane called a drone would deliver it.
Zipline drone deliveries. Rwanda is a pioneer in using drones to deliver essential medical supplies and blood to remote areas, demonstrating a significant impact on healthcare access. Zipline drone delivery project in Rwanda involves Zipline, a company that uses autonomous fixed-wing drones to deliver medical supplies like blood, vaccines and medication to rural hospitals and health centers. Launched in 2016, the system addresses Rwanda's poor road conditions and mountainous geography by providing fast, reliable and life-saving deliveries, overcoming the last-mile problem of getting critical supplies to remote locations. Indeed, this clarifies more why the use of self-flying taxi is much more needed by the country to also solve the challenge of Rwanda's geography. ICT infrastructure. Rwanda has invested heavily in ICT infrastructure, boasting high 4G coverage and already planning for 5G networks, creating a strong foundation for digital services. Mobile technology. The country developed the Mara phone, Africa's first phone designed to increase digital inclusion, and leverages mobile technology for services like payments and transportation. This initiative, backed by the Rwandan government, aimed to produce high-quality, affordable phones like the Mara X and Mara Z, create local tech jobs, foster economic growth, and position Rwanda as a regional technology hub. The project involved training workers, building motherboards and subboards locally, and integrating services like Irabo, aiming to increase smartphone accessibility on the continent. Rwanda launched RuaSat-1, its first telecommunications satellite, to provide data for agriculture, meteorology, and disaster response, demonstrating practical applications of space. Also, the government is developing national AI strategies to foster ethical and inclusive AI development, enhancing public services and driving innovation. Plus, e-government, where Rwanda ranks high in Africa's e-government development indices, showcasing effective digital governance and innovation in public services. Since the introduction of Vision 2020 goals, Rwanda has prioritized technology in its development plans. Through infrastructural development, education, and other support, technology is becoming mainstream in the country. The country is making significant efforts towards becoming Africa's very own Silicon Valley. For over 20 years, Rwanda has averaged an impressive 8% economic growth per annum, largely driven by its innovative incorporation of technology. The country's booming tech sector, through commitment to innovation, in addition to favorable regulatory environment, have elevated it to a new era of Africa's digital revolution. The combination of these efforts positions Rwanda as a leader in Africa's digital transformation. Indeed, the nation is using technology to solve its unique challenges and drive economic growth, and also becoming a model for other African countries looking to incorporate the power of technology for development. Even though Kigali's tech sector faces a shortage of skilled professionals, with only 0.26% of Rwanda's workforce, 8,962 people, employed in tech, limiting advanced expertise in AI and blockchain and hindering the $150 million ICT export goal. This has not stopped the nation's goals of technological revolution. The nation is tackling the skills gap and infrastructure challenges by producing over 2,600 tech graduates annually through universities like African Leadership and Carnegie Mellon, alongside training programs like Andala's coding boot camps. The nation's introduction of Africa's first self-flying electric air taxi, the Ehang EH2116S, at the Aviation Africa 2025 summit in Kigali, even position itself as a hub for advanced aviation in Africa. This initiative is part of Rwanda's broader vision to develop innovative transport solutions, strengthen its economy, and encourage sustainable urban development through advanced air mobility.